Hello friends, this is Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel. So friends, today we'll start the drafting of our plan which we had discussed, and in the previous video we had also set the units and dimensions for our drawing in our CAD. So if you haven't watched those videos, please go and watch them. So let us start. So first of all, to start our drawing, we can import from our PDF file. This is our Foxit PDF reader. We can take a snapshot actually. From here, you can take the snapshot of this plan and then you can simply paste it in our CAD file. So as you can see that it has been pasted as an image so that we can take this as a reference for drafting. So we'll start our drafting. We'll start with our boundary, that is our horizontal lines. We'll take our line command and then we'll make sure our ortho is switched on by using F8. So we can draw plans at 90 degrees now. We'll first take this dimension, that is 37 feet. Space. So this dimension has been selected. We can move this close to our drawing, M space, and then we can move this close to the drawing so that we can take reference easily. Now we can also check this dimension. As you can see that the dimension line is clearly visible, so it's okay. We'll delete this, and now first we'll take offsets for our horizontal lines. This outer wall is of 10 inches and all the inner walls are of 5 inches. So we'll take the offsets from here, that is our 10 feet and then 6 feet 7 inch and then this 5 feet and then this 5 inch for our boundary wall and then this 5 inch for our inner wall and then 12 feet. After that 12 feet 5 inch wall and then 5 feet 2 inch. So we'll take our offsets like that for our horizontal lines. So first offset will be our O space. First offset will be our 10 inches. We'll take an offset of 10 inches and then next offset will be our 10 feet. So we can press double space and then insert 10 feet and then space. For the purpose of visibility also, we can reduce this size. We'll just press escape and then select this and then we can reduce its size by using our scale command, SC space, and then we can take the reference from here and then we'll just insert a scale factor of 0.25 and then enter. So now we'll move this close to it, M space. Okay, we're done here. Now we'll continue our drafting. So we are here. Now for this 5 inch wall, we'll take an offset of 5 inches. So we're done here. Next offset is our 6 feet 7 inches. Double space 6 feet and 7 inches. So the space command can be used to repeat any previous commands. So 6 feet 7 inches offset we can take from here and then again we have a 5 inch wall. So double space 5 inches. After this 5 inch wall we have an offset of 12 feet. So we'll take an offset of 12 feet from here to here and then after that we have a 5 inch wall followed by an offset of 5 feet and 2 inch. So we have an option of 5 inch wall, 5 inch and then there is an offset of 5 feet 2 inch. 5 feet 2 inches. So we can give this offset. Now we have made our horizontal lines. Now we can join this two boundaries of the plot or the built up area with the help of this line, escape, and then again space and join this line. So we have done offset of our horizontal lines. Similarly, we can do offset of our vertical lines. So we'll complete the remaining part in our next video. See you in the next video. Bye.